Hi guys, so I just wanted to have like a little powwow before we got right into this video. Basically, this video was supposed to come out in February, but it's not February. Yeah, so what kind of has been happening is that editing takes a lot of time and I just didn't have that time, especially because I was going into exam season and today was my last day of exams. Yay. So now that I have finished exams, I'll have more time to do more videos, get those videos out. I'm trying to push out a lot of videos before I go back home on the 15th. So a lot of content is coming at you guys. So just be ready. And let's get right into this video today because this look is bomb. Jesus fucking Christ. Okay, so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chizzy, aka Zimmy, aka that fine girl over there, aka the bad girl, aka all these things. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, anyway, before we get into this video, let's talk about my hair real quick. Excuse me? Excuse me? Do you see this? Do you see it? Do you see it? Oh, yes. Anyway, I got this hair. Well, actually, my mom got me this hair. It's the 2x Havana Mambo twist in the color Berg for burgundy. Okay. Yeah, so I crocheted it myself. Took me a minute. Because I was watching movies while I did it. I think I put it on Snapchat. And I had said something like I watched 3 movies while I was doing this hair. Sounds accurate, not going to lie. Anyways, I was gonna do an installment video and I knew I was gonna take forever to do the hair, so I was like, nah, maybe next time though. But there are already so many crochet videos on YouTube though. I mean, I learned how to crochet off of YouTube. Shout out to The Brilliant Beauty. Her videos are amazing. Yeah, but like enough about my hair. Let's get into this look I have for you guys today. Okay, I'm gonna start by cleaning my face with the Garnier Skin Active. I can never say this word. Micellar, whatever. I don't know if you can see that. The Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water, and that's like the green cap one. I use the one for combination and sensitive skin because look at the skin. It is both combination and sensitive. After I wipe my face with the micellar cleansing water, I like to go in with the Soothing Botanical Toner with rose water. I like doing my makeup on a clean skin. It's just better for your skin, for me, for everyone involved. I'm gonna take my PS Instagirl Face Perfecting Stick and I'm just gonna rub that on my forehead, down my nose, underneath my eyes. And then I'm gonna go in with my PS Instagirl Selfie Ready Blur Primer. Now I'm just gonna color correct my dark spots. I'm gonna take my finger and just rub that in. Okay, so lately I've been doing this thing where I like to set where I color corrected mostly underneath my eye, and I use the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I don't know if you can see that, to set it just so it doesn't really move. Usually I do my brows now and then like highlight it and then do my foundation, but I've been doing my foundation first lately. I don't know why. I don't know, I just like it. I take my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 355, which is my light shade, and I put it in the light parts of my face, and then I take my Maybelline Fit Me the Dewy formula in the shade 360. This is my medium-ish shade, and I put that in the darker parts of my face just because, like, I don't know, I don't like using too much foundation anymore either. Now I'm just gonna take my Ultimate Blending Brush from e.l.f. and I just love using this brush, and I'm just gonna brush everything in together. Okay, now I'm gonna do my brows, and I'm going to take my angled brush and go into this palette and use this gel liner. I like using a gel liner to do my brows because I like my brows being like really dark. I don't know why. I just like really dark brows. Now I'm just gonna clean up my brows using the Elegil Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey underneath my eyes. Now I'm gonna use the shade Toffee for the rest of my face. I'm gonna use my foundation brush from earlier only because I feel like it's better to use that to blend in because it has like the color from earlier, and I don't know, it would just make blending like much more easier to look more natural. Okay. I have problems. Please ignore. I'm now gonna set my face using this mineral press powder from LA Colors in the shade Toasted Almond and this powder brush from e.l.f. Oh, I can't get it open. Okay. Got him. And this is the Elegil Pro Phase High Definition Matte Press Powder in the shade Chestnut, and I'm just gonna put that in my contour areas. I feel like what this also does is like give my face a more softer, natural looking face rather than like a really like hard contoured face. And like, excuse me, line of demarcation where though? Show me the line of demarcation. Show it to me. Okay, so for today I have like a really I'd call it a simple eye look, but it's kind of like really glam, really dramatic, but like it's actually really simple. Like if you're a beginner, it'd be easy for you to use. So I'm gonna start by going into my Profusion makeup kit, and I'm just gonna use this large fluffy. All around me are familiar faces. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this large fluffy brush, and I'm gonna go into this pink shade right here, like this lighter pink shade right here. Next, I'm gonna take this smaller fluffy brush and I'm gonna go into this like really bright pink shade right here. Okay, using the same brush, I'm gonna go into my Take Me to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. Look at like these colors. God bless America. I'm gonna go into this pink shade right here, this really bright pink shade. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into my 3rd edition 120 color eyeshadow palette, also from BH Cosmetics. It's so amazing. And like, look at this. And I'm gonna go into this gold shade right here. This one right here. I'm pointing at the right one. Okay, this one right here. And I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Now I'm just gonna take my brush from before and just make sure like the edges are blended. You know, just make sure that they're blended properly. Now I'm gonna do my liner. I'm gonna be using the Revlon Color Stay Skinny Liner in black. Now I'm just gonna put on some mascara and I'm gonna use the Mega Length Waterproof Mascara. Then I'm gonna pop on some lashes and be right back. And I'm currently wearing the Fantasy lashes from Girls with Attitude, GWA, gang. So now that I'm done with my face, I'm just gonna set it real quick. And now it's time for my favorite part of makeup, highlighting. First, I'm gonna start with the inner corner of my eye. I'm gonna take this pink highlighter right here. Next, I'm gonna highlight my brow bone area by using the brown highlighting shade and an angled brush. Next, I'm gonna take my ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Wisp, and I'm gonna use this applicator and highlight my nose and Cupid's bow area. For my cheeks, I'm gonna take this fan brush and go into that brown shade again. And because I love layering my highlight, I'm gonna go into this Gold Rush highlight palette from PS. But I'm gonna go into this treasure shade and I'm gonna use my highlight brush and I'm gonna use the smaller part and just pick up that pigment and put it on my cheekbones. I like taking a large fluffy brush and going into my Zulu by Juvia's Place palette and just picking up that pink shade right there and using it as a blush. After highlighting, I like to spray my face again just to really set everything. For my lips, I'm gonna first line it with the CoverGirl Lip Perfection in the shade Sublime. Now I'm gonna take Hard Candy's Velvet Mousse matte lip color in the shade Heather. And that is the look that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment, and ring that bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. Also, stalk me on all my socials, Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, all of that. Ooh, yeah, girl look good. I look good. Okay. Well, until next time, stay fabulous.